Hi guys, it's Alicja here, welcome to my channel. You need to take a dark reference picture right now. Find a very nice reference picture with dark colors, dark environment and dark everything. And put it on your iPad or anything you draw on. And use those dark colors. Take those colors and use them to color your painting. I just did that actually for almost the first time I'm drawing something so dark. And trust me, it's an experience. The screen you see right now, it's a little bit lighter than in real life, but I used just the middle gray for the skin and for the shadows, a dark red. Like, it doesn't make any sense, but it does. Like, if you get it, you get it. And I am afraid I might keep drawing dark pictures because this is a whole different thing. By the way, look at how pretty I'm blending right now. I love blending. Blending is incredible. This is the best part. If you want to blend like this, get my brushes. They are on my website. The link is in the description, alitziaprint.com. Anyway, often with drawings like those, you get a very ugly in between, like the work in progress is going to look pretty bad. I don't know why. Like it's not that bad, but you have to live with the ugly process, and this is actually a very difficult thing for artists. For me, at least, this is so difficult to me. If the process doesn't look good, if I'm like 50% in and it doesn't look good, but I know why, because that's just the way it is. By the way, look at how nice it's blending. I loved the blending here. Anyway, if the process is not good, I hate that drawing. And I know it's just the way it is. I know it's just the process. That was my whole intention to make it like this. Like, I did it on purpose, but I still hate to look at it when it's not beautiful. Sometimes just choosing the easy way, like the way where it's always pretty, even the work in progress, it's easier for you. It's easier for artists because you don't have to fight with yourself. And if you fight with yourself, if you do take the harder way, it's most of the time going to turn out better. So, just like I always say, never listen to your brain. Always do things that you don't think are a good idea. Just try them out, because most of the time they are going to be a good idea. If it looks good now, it will look bad later, and if it looks bad now, it will look good later. Not always, but sometimes. And always flip your drawing. This is actually the only thing I actually always say. So yeah, it was nice to see you guys. I hope to see you the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.